everybody hits a streak of bad performance.
No, I know. Yeah, that's why
it's inevitably gonna, like, you're gonna lose money. It's part of the business, and like you need to be able to handle that.
Mm-hmm.
And for me, more what it came to was, and maybe there was an element of maturity or maturing in this, but I started having the realization, like, is this really what my life is going to be? Like, showing up to an office in Midtown Manhattan, or like any place for that matter, and kind of staring at computer screens all day. And, we're starting to realize that there wasn't that much meaning in what I was doing. And maybe the meaning was never really there, and it took me a while to discover it, or the maturity thing I alluded to, maybe that was part of it. But I had this kind of the sensation that my life had plateaued. I'd kind of.
What about relationships? I know you said you have a girlfriend now, but like in terms of relationships, were there any long-term relationships, any broken marriages along the way, or anything like that?
So no broken marriages, but that was part of it as well, that my job had started to consume my entire life. Like, it's all I did.